Hello students, today I will be taking your English text class of class 2 and the chapter I was reading here, the chapter's name is Carly Locks and the Three Bears. Carly Locks and the Three Bears. Carly Locks and the Three Bears. We have read some of the parts. Let's recapitulate it once again, then we will be moving forward. Okay, let's read it. Once there was a little girl with curly hair. Her name was Carly Locks. So the name of the girl was Carly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. So near the house she saw a cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. So who lived in the cottage? The bear family. They had gone for a walk. So the bear family gone for a walk. Carly Locks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. So Carly Locks saw 3 bowls of porridge. How many bowls? 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. So the big size bowl for Papa Bear, middle size bowl for Mama Bear, and the little bowl for Baby Bear. Carly Locks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. So when she ate the porridge from the big bowl, it was very hot. She ate from the middle size bowl. Then she ate from middle size bowl. That was too cold. And she ate from the tiny little bowl. And at the end, she ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. So the warmth of the tiny little bowl porridge was just right for her. Now let's read the next part. Carly Locks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. So Carly Locks ate up all the porridge and then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear. So in the bedroom she saw there was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear. So a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. There she saw a big bed for Papa Bear, middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for the Baby Bear. The big bed was very hard. So when she get up into the big bed, that was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft. So the middle-sized bed was too soft for her. But the tiny little bed was just right. So at the end, at the third time also, see, when she get up into the tiny little bed, the bed was just right for her. Okay. Carly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. So she fell asleep in the tiny little bed. The bear family came back. So after when she fall asleep, then after that the the bear family came back. Then the bear family came back. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Then Papa Bear shouted that he has seen that somebody has eaten my porridge. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear was also saying that somebody has ate my porridge too. Somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. And at the end, Baby Bear was also saying that somebody ate my porridge also. The bear family went to the bedroom. Then finally, the bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bedroom, shouted Papa Bear in his big, gruff voice. Then, in the bedroom, Papa Bear saw that somebody slept in my bedroom. Papa Bear shouted also. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear also saying that somebody slept in my bed too. And somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. And Baby Bear is seeing that somebody is sleeping in his bed. And Baby Bear also said that somebody is sleeping in my bed. Curly Locks woke up. She saw the three bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. So, when Curly Locks woke up, she just saw that three bears were staring at her. So she got afraid, and just then she get up and ran out of the cottage as fast as possible. So, like how this is a very nice story and an easy story also. You can read it at your home and read it very attentively, okay? And you will have fun, a kind of a fun by reading this story, okay? And this story is adapted from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Keep it in mind that this story is adapted from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay. So today I have completed the reading of this chapter, and in your later classes I will move forward with the next works. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you study well at your home. Have a nice day. Bye.